Hello, for this tutorial I am using Adrift Developer 5. If you need to know how to use the map feature, there are two excellent tutorials on YouTube. Just search for Adrift map. I am going to create a hotel floor with 6 rooms and 4 characters, which I want to distribute randomly to the rooms. As you see here, I have created the first floor of an hotel, which has the 6 rooms, and there are 4 characters. The 6 rooms are accessed by a 3-stage hallway. In this video I am going to show you how to distribute the 4 characters randomly to the 6 rooms with none being put into the hallway. The first thing we need to do is put the rooms we want to use into a group, so on the left of the screen double-click on the Group tab. A new list box will be created. Move the box to the far end of the boxes at the base of the screen. Right-click inside the box and select Add Group. A list will appear. Click on the 6 tick boxes or check boxes to select only the rooms, and click OK. Now we need to create a task to distribute the 4 characters. This can be done using an event, but to keep it simple we will use a task. But first, please note I have renamed the group name as Rooms. Double-click on the group and rename it. Next, make sure you're on the Home tab at the top left. Click on Task. Give the task a name. We will call it Start Game. You can see I have already got the task created. You need to enter the text you see here and keep the General tab selected. Now click on the Actions tab. In the first tab, select Move. The next tab, Character. Next tab, George. The fourth tab to Location Group. And the final tab, Rooms. Click OK and OK again. Now run the game, and you can wander around the rooms and meet nobody. Now enter, Start Game and press Enter, and wander again. This time you will meet George in one of the rooms. Now I am adding the other 3 characters to the list. The easiest way to do this is to copy and paste the first character, then paste it into the box. Continue doing this for last 2 characters. The only thing left to do is change the names of the 3 new additions to the list. So each one in turn. Double-click on each row, and click on the tab, George, and select the next name in the list. Continue until all 4 names have been selected. And that's it. Run the game again, and you will meet all 4 characters.